Why is it raining outside in the middle of December? Not even the middle, it's the end of December. It's supposed to be winter time. Christmas is past. There is no snow. The snow is melted. What is going on? Like, I don't know. What's in the global warming is going on with this world today? But y'all, it's something fishy going on. I don't mean to sound like one of them conspiracy theories and make everything all weird, but what the heck is really going on with this weather? This is crazy. It's like spring. Like, it feels so nice outside. I didn't even have to wear this coat for real. So your girl just made herself hot for no reason. But like I was complaining, not gonna lie, about the wintertime because I was like, y'all know how I was saying like